हम क्या जाने क्या है आज़ादी, अरे हम क्या जाने क्या है आज़ादी। आज़ादी की कीमत उनसे पूछो जिन्होंने इसमें सब कुछ गंवाया है। आज़ादी की कीमत उससे पूछो जिन्होंने दिन में भी अंधेरा गहरा देखा है। हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई एम कुसुम Kumawat, student of English Zone English Training Academy. Today we are here to acknowledge our privilege to being born in free India and celebrate our 76th Independence Day of our country. Today is a golden day of Indian history. When India got freedom from Britishers, before it we were not having any right to do any work by ourselves. Even we self were unable to think anything freely. Those difficult times and struggles must not be always to fade away from our memory. आज़ादी की कीमत उससे पूछो जिसे अपना भारत जान से भी प्यारा है। आज़ादी की कीमत उससे पूछो जो हंसते हंसते मौत की नींद सोए हों। This day is full of emotion and reminds us the pain of being unsealed, the strength of unity. It defines the sacrifice and gives us an example that some war can be won with non-violence. Freedom fighters give a lot of sacrifices which one cannot even imagine by doing for their loved ones. Leave the country, amount of pain, hardship and oppose they have faced cannot be explained in words. The generation after it will always be thankful and feel proud of them for their selfless sacrifices and hard work. Let's talk about great freedom fighters, the martyrs and the real hero of India. अरे हमने किया ही क्या है इसके लिए, बस पुरखों से विरासत में पाई है। आज़ादी की कीमत उससे पूछो जिन्होंने इसकी कीमत चुकाई है। That's all. Thank you.
Will we face the bullets of the enemies? We are free and will remain free. Said by Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was a brave heart and a revolutionary born on Indian soil, who will always be remembered for his revolutionary activities. Azad was associated with the Hindustan Republic Association, which was later named as Hindustan Socialist Republic Association. Both organizations carried out a serious and revolutionary activities against the British rule. Azad was at the help activities. Azad was involved in Kakori train robbery because he aimed to fund of the revolutionary activities of association. Azad was also involved in blowing up the train crime. Sanders, who was involved in Lala Rajpat Rai, he died. Chandrasekhar Azad, along with Rajguru and Bhagat Singh, took the revenge and killed Sanders. His name was Azad. He was died free. He was suited himself because he didn't want to be captured and treated in a inhuman way by the British Empire. चिंगारी आज़ादी की सुलगी मेरे जिस्म में, इनकलाब की ज्वालाएं लिपटी मेरे दिल में है। कुर्बानी जहाँ जन्नत हो ये बात मेरे वतन में है। आज़ादी का जज्बा जिंदा मेरे कफन में है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
हम अपनी आज़ादी को हरगिज़ मिटा नहीं सकते। हम सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन झुका नहीं सकते। सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन झुका नहीं सकते। I am in this great day of independence. I am telling about a great personality who sacrificed his whole life for freeing India from the chain of slavery. I am telling about a great freedom fighter, a great leader, a great advocate, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is also known as Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi sacrificed his whole life for nation. Mahatma Gandhi always gave importance to human rights. No doubt, Mahatma Gandhi is true inspiration, not only for the past generation, but also for the generation who comes with his ideology of non-violence, truth, tolerance, and social welfare. The contribution of Gandhi into the Indian freedom movements can't be measurable in words. He, with other freedom fighters, enforced Britishers to leave India, and finally India got freed from colonial rule, and now independence India is front of you guys. And many times Gandhiji used the way of non-violence. That's why Gandhiji was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize. But because of some issue, Gandhiji was never awarded with Nobel Peace Prize. But those who followed the way of non-violence was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize. And Mahatma Gandhi did lot of movements against Britishers to free our India. Mahatma Gandhi did some movements like Quit India movement, non-corporation movement. Mahatma Gandhi spent his whole life for nation. That's why Gandhiji is known as father of nation.
Right now I am going to tell about a place which is out of women's, where we can never survive. The place name is Siachen. It is not easy to being a soldier in Siachen. He learns not only to survive, help his friends in harms, and also fight the enemy under great situation. Siachen Glacier was to the valley of roses, but this place has made the life of Indian Army full of thorns. At this place, the temperature reaches minus 40 degrees Celsius during the day and minus 70 degrees Celsius at night. Normal people can never survive, but our soldiers are giving duty over there at day and night. A big salute to Indian Army to protecting as our motherland, our nation. वो क्या ही जिंदगी है जिसमें देशभक्ति नहीं, वो क्या ही जिंदगी है जिसमें देशभक्ति नहीं, वो क्या ही मौत जो तिरंगे से लिपटी नहीं.
महान लक्ष्य के लिए किया गया कोई भी बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाता. It is said by Veer Savarkar and he proved it too. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was a prominent figure of India's national movement. He was a freedom fighter, a writer, a historian and a philosopher as well. He remained very upset with the cruelties of British rule and wanted to do something to get rid of. He, along with his brother Ganesh Damodar Savarkar, founded Mitra Mela in 1901 in Nasik to launch anti-British activities in organized way. He also launched the Abhinav Bharat Society to make India free from the curse of British rule. And he actively supported the Swadeshi movement when he went England for higher studies. He made London the center of his Indian freedom movement activities. He organized a group of armed revolutionaries to fight against British rule. He sent pistols to Bombay from London for armed operation against British government, but British government came to know the plan of Savarkar and they arrested Savarkar in London. To make India free from Britishers, that aim never changed of Savarkar. He sent to jail at Andaman Cellular Jail for 7 years later in Yerwada Jail. After leaving jail, he became more determined to make India free from Britishers, and after coming from jail, he founded Hindu Mahasabha, and all the life he sacrificed for his motherland, and he said, "Oh motherland, sacrifice for you is life and living without you is death." In the end, I would like to say something. जो बहाया पसीना मैदान में एक एक बूंद का हिसाब ले आएंगे, हम भारत माँ के लाल हैं, हम यूं ही तिरंगा लहराएंगे.
Good evening to all. My name is Suhana. Today I am here to tell about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a great freedom fighter of Indian freedom struggle. He was also called Lokmanya Tilak. His father name was Gangadhar and his mother name was Parvati Bai. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. The famous slogan "Swaraj is my bright light and I shall have it" was given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started newspapers like Kesari in Marathi language and Maratha in English language. He was the first leader of Indian national movement. The Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India, and the British colonial authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest. Such a great freedom fighter passed away on 1st August 1920. We proud to all those great souls who took part on the sacred lands and salute to their mother who gave birth to such an epic person. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
एकता ही देश की तकदीर है, एकता ही देश की तकदीर है. और जिस देश में एकता नहीं वह देश ही फ़कीर है. I want to ask you all a question that how many states are there in India? 28 states, right? What would happen if these 28 states would be 28 countries? Means every state would be a country. I know that you don't like this at all, but my dear friends, you would be pretty shocked that when India got freedom, on that time, every state wanted to establish its separate nation. And there was only a single man who was standing against this. He is the Iron Man of our country, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. If he would be not then, he would not stand against this. Then today, India would be not a country, it would be a continent with small countries. And just to go from Kashmir to Kanyakumari or to go from Ahmedabad to Agartala, we would have to take visa for 7 to 8 times. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. He was a prominent leader in India's independent movement. He was an Indian barrister and senior leader of Indian National Congress who led his integration to independent and united India. First
first he was a barrister, but later he was inspired from Mahatma Gandhi and he joined politics and started to work for United India. In the year 1928, when Gujarat farmers were facing crop failure, on the other hand, Britishers increased the tax from 6% to 22% and said that if you will not pay tax on time, we will grab your land. So the farmers begged help from Vallabhbhai Patel. Being a barrister, he was very wise, so he kept a spy on Britishers and would get to know all their conspiracies of grabbing farmers' land. And he would protect the farmers from losing their land. At the end, when Britishers were not able to grab any farmer's land, so they decreased the tax again. The villagers were very happy and they gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel. And later he was known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Not only this much, his birthday 31st of October is celebrated as National Unity Day, and the biggest statue of the world is Statue of Unity, which is established in Gujarat, is of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel says that every Indian should forget that he is a Sikh, a Rajput or a Jat. He should always remember that he is an Indian. Thank you. India is a country which is not back in anything. It may be sports, globalization, democracy and culture. But in the past time, it was not like that. People were not much aware about India and Indian culture. And now Indian culture is followed by so many nations. And Indian culture was first introduced by Swami Vivekananda at Chicago in 1893. Swami Vivekananda was one of the greatest monks that India has ever seen. He is not only a spiritual leader but also a great freedom fighter. One can understand if they know and study him deeply. His teachings, his contribution made an everlasting impact on world culture and religion. Swami Vivekananda was the first Indian to be ever visited America. He briefly addressed the Parliament of Chicago in 1893 and he was named Paragon of Vedantists by Harvard philosopher William James. He made an everlasting impact on world culture and religion. And now, not only Indians, but the whole world respect and follows his disciple. Swami Vivekananda, known to have and organized a mission after his guru, Sri Ramakrishna Mission, which includes sant and preachers who voluntarily helped poor and needy people. Swami Vivekananda's teachings were mainly inspired by Vedas and epics, which were believed to be a great source of strength, energy and wisdom to Indian society. In last, I want to conclude by saying that Swami Vivekananda led an inspiring life. His whole life was devoted to serving humanity. So, we should also conclude his teaching and try to be a better human being and a better citizen. That's all. Thank you.
जमाने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, जमाने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता। नोटों में लिपटकर सोने में सिमटकर मरे हैं कई, मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता। Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, but others make it happen. Leadership is not about titles, positions and workhouse. It's all about relationships. Many great leaders took born on the earth of sacrifice, martyrdom and brotherhood and so on. Out of those, one was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, he is Netaji. Whenever the turn comes about leadership, the name of Subhash Chandra Bose is being called as an example. Because of this, he was adorned by the title of Netaji. A leader, a true leader, has a confidence to stand alone, has a courage to make tough decisions and the compassion to listen the needs of others. After the order of his apprehension, he decided to left India. But at the time he said one thing, that Etla chalo, which means go alone. And he said that it doesn't mean that you can only make India free while living in India. You can make it by outside of the country also. And further on, he went out of India. He said that don't follow where the path may lead you. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. And he proved it. Someone said that I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep. I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep. I am afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion. And these lines are quite right for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He provoked the fire of freedom in the hearts of those people who had left even the hope of life. After that, he stabilized the Azad Hind Fauj and he said one thing that तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. The role of Azad Hind Fauj cannot be explained in the words. It can be felt on. But not even the role of Azad Hind Fauj, the role of every single freedom fighter cannot be described. That's why it is said that the freedom was not given. The freedom was not given, it was taken by our freedom fighters. At the last, I would like to say some golden lines. वे कहाँ गए वे कहाँ रहे ये धूमिल अभी कहानी है. वे कहाँ गए वे कहाँ रहे ये धूमिल अभी कहानी है. हमने तो उनकी नई कथा आजाद हिंद फौज से जानी है. हमने तो उनकी नई कथा आजाद हिंद फौज से जानी है. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thanks to all the freedom fighters and great people who contributed their life for our peace, harmony.
We proud to all those great souls who took but on this sacred land and salute to their mother who gave birth to such an empathetic person.
And follow their teaching. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, and Vasudev Kutumbakam. The meaning is that we Indians treat every world as our family, and we pray for their prosperity, peace, and harmony.
At last,
We want to say, Sare jahan se acha, Hindustan hamara hamara, Sare jahan se acha, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा.